Do you guys have moles? Doesn't this just piss you off? It's hard to tell, but that is about a foot long by maybe 8 inches wide and probably 6 inches tall. God, man, every day.
Let's go!
So we have 2 different goals today, if not even a little bit more than that. The first one that we're going to do is we're going to lay a 12-12-12 starter fertilizer. The second thing we're going to do today is some lime. All right, so I know you guys have seen these before. This is the property map for my house. We have a front yard at 3,200 square feet. We have another front yard at 2,600 square feet. This side yard is 720. This backyard is 11,520, and this side yard is about 4,000. There is some overlap in this, so when you add all these up, we're going to call that about 20,000 square feet. So according to my soil tests, I needed to lay down 50 pounds per 1,000 of regular lime to raise the pH from where I'm at to get where I need to be. Now, instead of buying essentially 1,000 pounds of lime, because I need 50 pounds per 1,000 and I have 20,000 square feet, I decided to buy the Rapid Lime. Now, the Rapid Lime says on the bag and on Lime that the Rapid Lime 1 30-pound bag equals 5 regular bags of regular lime. So, if you look at the big box stores, a regular bag of lime is about 40 pounds. Now, if we do 5 times 40, that means we should be able to lay 200 pounds of the fast-acting lime in order to equal the Dolomite lime. Now, this Rapid Lime is made from dolomitic lime. However, oh no, I ripped the bag. Bummer. So we are made from a dolomitic lime. However, the majority of this is actually calcium carbonate, and calcium and magnesium. I need to lay 200 pounds across my 20,000 square foot lawn. We know that I need approximately 9 pounds per 1,000 to bring my pH from a 5.83 up to approximately a 6.5. So those are the rates that we're gonna throw.
Okay, so we have to pause for just 1 second to take a look at our spreader settings.
The great lawn care people always recommend you should test your spreader. Now I have Scott's EdgeGuard Deluxe. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this model before. A few weeks ago, I tested this unit at different settings, so I know that, for example, when I do Milorganite, setting 11 is 13.3 pounds per 1,000 for my Milo. I also know that at setting 5 1/4, I get 4 pounds per 1,000, and setting 4 1/2, I get 2.72 pounds per 1,000, and then at setting 4 3/4, I get 3 pounds per 1,000. Now, I don't have a 5 per 1,000 measurement here, so I'm just going to estimate up a little bit from my 4, and then I'll adjust as I see it coming out of the spreader itself. So this is just going to go to show you that you should always calibrate your spreaders. And why I say that is, remember, I have the Scott's EdgeGuard Deluxe. Now, a little backstory here. I had one of these before that I just bought this year. I used it one time, and the thing, it broke completely. The actual broadcaster at the bottom completely snapped off its axle and just broke completely. Just blip, and it was done. I took it back to the store. I replaced it. Now, before the other one broke, I put small increments of product in, and I tested it in my 1,000 square foot area. So I knew the settings of that spreader and the pounds that it was going to throw for 1,000 square feet. When I got this new spreader, I assumed it would probably be a little bit close, but now that I'm actually spreading the product on the ground, it's nowhere near close. So let me show you what I mean. So this is the chart that I had from the last spreader. You can see that I tested at setting 5.25, 5.25, I was throwing 4 pounds per 1,000. And I did that by, measuring how much I put in the spreader, taking away how much I had left at the end and how much I wanted to throw. That's how I got that 4 pounds per 1,000 was actually getting thrown from that spreader. Now, I just spread the 12-12-12 in the front yard, which I did not record, and the new measurement now, you can see at setting 6, we're throwing 3.8 pounds per 1,000. So you can see that from setting 6 on the new spreader is less than setting 5.25 on the old spreader. So this goes to show you that you need to calibrate your specific spreader. You need to check these numbers to see where you fall. Now you can see 7.5 is 5 pounds per 1,000. So that's where I'm at for my 12-12-12. So you should always check your specific spreaders. I'm gonna have to recalibrate this for the Milo too.
Let's go.
The sheer amount of work that it takes for a lawn this size, doing all these different chemicals at different rates and making sure everything looks okay is just absurd. It doesn't help that it's the beginning of spring and I'm super out of shape. I got some, winter weight on me yet, but holy shit, I still have the fertilizer to go. That was all just the lime. Whew. All right. Have done the lime. The lime, I did 6 bags at 9 pounds per 1,000. And now we're gonna do the 12-12-12, 3 bags of the 12-12-12 at 5 pounds per 1,000. Ignore that, that was for that. It doesn't even matter. 5 pounds per 1,000. Oh, there's a puppy. Okay, so that is 12-12-12 laid down, 5 pounds per 1,000. That is also the rapid lime, also laid down at about 9 pounds per 1,000. The only thing that I have left to do is the Milo. Water for her, beer for me. I'm probably not gonna be filming the Milo just because you all know what that is. It's the same old stuff right now. I finished the Milo and I gotta water all this in. So I'll lay down a ½ inch of water at least, just to get it all on the ground. Ideally do that before rain comes, but we don't have rain in the forecast for like at least a week. So I'm just gonna throw it down and do it myself. So with that, my lawn sucks, it's okay. And we'll see you next time.
Let's go.
It's snow. It came back.